how good times will go. Me, I just bear down and go and flow. I go to all-night parties, sipping on Bacardis, kicking back, yeah, I'm doing alright. I don't worry about fortune, I don't worry about fame, and I don't get caught up in wondering what tomorrow brings. And I believe in the saying, there's always friends to blame. And if you ask me how I'm doing, I'll just tell you again, I'm doing alright, yeah, I'm doing alright. Hanging back with my buddies, staying out all damn night. I might get a little trouble, drinking whiskey on the double. But I think it's about time I live my life, and I'm doing alright. Ain't got no one on my back, about a 9 to 5. No work, no money, but I'll be just fine. As I say, good things come to those who wait. All I got is time, so I'll be okay. 'Cause I'm doing alright, yeah, I'm doing alright. Hanging back with my buddies and staying out all damn night. I might get a little trouble, drinking whiskey on a double. But I think it's about time I live my life, and I'm doing alright. Doing alright, yeah, I'm doing alright. Hanging back with my buddies and staying out all damn night. I might get a little trouble, drinking whiskey on the double. But I think it's about time I live my life, and I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright.